Welcome to the Ride with GNR shop. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different, and I don't know if it'll work or not. I don't even know if it's a good idea, but I think I'm just going to put out the feelers for. We've got a lot of parts sitting around and I don't need them. They're from cars that I've worked on in the past, or friends have worked on here in the shop, or me and my dad worked on years ago, and they're just parts that I don't need anymore. So let's go take a look and see what we've got. And if you... Something else I have that somebody might find an interest in is Mazda RX-7. These came off of a first gen Enkei wheels. You can tell these are made for a wide body kit, which I will run out and show you real quick. So this is the wide body kit. It's sitting here getting pooped on. Tried to sit it where they'd at least be in the shade, not get any more sun beaten, but pretty impossible to keep everything from getting trashed. A friend of mine had two RX-7s and he never could get the title for the one that had the wide body kit. Alright, so this is the RX-7. It's pretty well trashed. I mean, it's this car was an automatic. What I would have liked to have done is basically just strip it down, gut it, put a cage in it, and turn it into a fun little go-kart, basically. These cars are so much smaller and lighter than many others. They would make one heck of an amazing go-kart, man. Either build a 13B turbo RX-7 or put a small block Chevrolet in here, lightweight aluminum LS1 or a small 302 from a Mustang, and you'd have one heck of a screamer. Come here. Come here. What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Rawr. Oh, that's my shop kitty. That's my shop kitty. Oh, yeah, she is. Rawr. 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 I've got a rear set of window louvers for a 1969 70 Mach 1.